Hello students, I welcome you all to this virtual learning online platform. Recently, we completed Badal Sarkar's Beyond the Land of Hatamala, and from the examination point of view, all of you are expected to prepare for multiple choice questions. So I prepared 25 different multiple choice questions based on the play Beyond the Land of Hatamala. So let us proceed with the multiple choice questions on Beyond the Land of Hatamala. Question 1. Where was Badal Sarkar born? The options are in Kolkata, Bengal, B, in Bhubaneswar, Orissa, C, in Mumbai, Maharashtra, D, in Patna, Bihar. The correct option is option A, in Kolkata, Bengal. Question number 2. Badal Sarkar was born on. The options are A, 15th of June 1925, B, 15th of July 1925, C, 15th of August 1925, D, 15th of September 1925. The correct answer is option B, 15th of July 1925. Question number 3. Badal Sarkar completed his master's degree in comparative literature from the university. The options are Mumbai University, B, University of Kolkata, C, Jadavpur University, D, University of Madras. The correct answer is option C, Jadavpur University. Question number 4. Badal Sarkar's experiments with theatrical environments and established a new genre of theatre called. The options are A, Indian theatre, B, third theatre, C, Indian street theatre, D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, third theatre. Who has written the plays like Indrajit, published in 1963, Remaining History, published in 1965, Delirium, published in 1966, 13th Century, published in 1966, Mad Horse, published in 1967. The options are A, Girish Karnad, B, Badal Sarkar, C, Rabindranath Tagore, D, none of the above. The correct option is option B, Badal Sarkar. Question number 6. In 1967, Badal Sarkar formed his own theatre group called. The options are A, Shatabdi, B, Gitanjali, C, Rural Theatre, D, Indian Street Theatre. The correct option is option A, Shatabdi. Question number 7. When did Badal Sarkar receive the prestigious Amanur Puraskaram award by Kerala Sangeet Natak Academy? In the year, the options are 2010, B. 2012, C. 2014, D. 2016. The correct answer is option A, 2010. Question number 8. Beyond the Land of Hatamala is a full play that talks about. The options are A. Two thieves, Becharam and Kenaram. B. Socio-political and economic issues. C. Capitalist and bourgeois interests. D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 9. A strange society as described in the play Beyond the Land of Hatamala is based on. The options are A. Capitalist ideology, B. Marxist ideology, C. Democratic ideology, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Marxist ideology. Question number 10. Being thieves, Kena and Becha do not understand the concept of society with the blank space. The options are A. No money, B. Money, C. Capital, D. Equality. The correct answer is option A. No money. Question number 11. Who are the major characters in the play Beyond the Land of Hatamala? The options are A. Kenaram, B. Becharam, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct option is option C. Both A and B. Question number 12. The play Beyond the Land of Hatamala begins with. The options are A. Kena and Becha try to escape, B. Villagers running after the two in the darkness, C. Kena and Becha hiding in the darkness among cows, D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 13. After jumping into the river, Kena and Becha reaches to. The options are A. Hatamala, B. A strange unknown land, C. Kolkata, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. A strange unknown land. Question number 14. Who are the major characters in the play Beyond the Land of Hatamala? The options are A. Kenaram, B. Becharam, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The correct option is option C. Both A and B. Question number 15. In the play, Kena and Becha are afraid of blank space because they are thieves. The options are A. Cops and police, B. The king, C. Zamindar, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Cops and police. Question number 16. As soon as Kena and Becha reached to the strange land, Becha felt. The options are A. Hungry, B. Thirsty, C. Dull, D. Energetic. The correct answer is option B. Thirsty. Question number 17. Who said What do you think? We were testing how sound your wall was. Options are A. Kena, B. Becha, C. Doctor, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Kena. Question number 18. Who said we pay 20 paisa a month at our Jagat Tarini library at home? The options are A. Kena, B. Beja, C. Doctor, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Kena. Question number 19. Who said you get all these things free here? What will you sell the gold for? The options are A. Kena, B. Beja, C. Doctor, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Beja. Question number 20. Who convinced Kena and Beja about the importance of work? The options are A. Doctor, B. One from the community, C. Two from the community, D. Three from the community. The correct answer is option A. Doctor. Question number 21. What is the profession adopted by Kena? The options are A. Gardener, B. Builder, C. Fruit seller, D. Proprietor of a restaurant. The correct answer is option B. Builder. Question number 22. What is the profession adopted by Beja? The options are A. Gardener, B. Builder, C. Fruit seller, D. Proprietor of a restaurant. The correct option is option A. Gardener. Question number 23. Who said someone who's learned one skill won't take long to learn another? The options are A. Kena, B. Beja, C. Doctor, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Doctor. Question number 24. What is the last slogan sung by the chorus? The options are A. We can make it all if we work together, B. Why we go on shopping rampages, C. Why do we slave for mere wages, D. Come, let us share everything together. The correct option is option D. Come, let us share everything together. Question number 25. The play Beyond the Land of Hatamala promotes the blank space. The options are A. Capitalism, B. Communism, C. Democracy, D. None of the above. The correct option is option B. Communism.